Everyone, as you know, I bought a drone from Costco and I was flying it and I wrecked it. But I highly recommend anyone that buys a drone from DJI get the warranty and the insurance. You're not going to regret it. Right now I'm sweating bullets, dressed up just to go to Costco to see if they'll take it back. I should have just bought the warranty at first activation. I think it's $49 or $39. I didn't do either. We got to find out right now what Costco is going to do. Stay tuned. Jim. So of course Costco took it back. I got, let me see how much money I got back. $466, all because it was my fault. I'm gonna accept responsibility for it. I was using an auto feature, the auto fly away feature. It was flying away from me and I was looking at the drone. I said, man, the thing's gonna run into that pole over there. And right before it ran into the pole, I said, stop. It stopped. But I think the wind made it run into the pole and now it's broken. But who cares? I got a new drone on the way and thank you, Costco.